Ah, the age-old battle. Debt versus savings, like Batman versus Superman, or pineapple on pizza. Which one deserves your attention first? Today we're breaking it down, and yes, we'll keep it simple, fun, and possibly a little weird. Okay, let's set the scene. Imagine your money is a bucket and you're trying to fill it up with water. Saving money is like pouring water in. But debt? Debt is like having a hole in the bottom of the bucket. No matter how much water you pour in, it keeps leaking out. Annoying, right? The case for tackling debt. Debt is sneaky. It's like that friend who always borrows your phone charger and never gives it back. But worse because it comes with interest. Credit card companies? They're basically charging you rent for money you've already spent. Think about it. If you owe $1,000 on a credit card with 20% interest and you only pay the minimum, you'll end up paying back way more than you borrowed. That's not just a hole in your bucket, it's a whole waterfall. The case for building savings. Now, let's talk about savings. Life is unpredictable. Flat tires, broken phones, surprise dental bills. Without savings, guess what you're forced to do? Yup, slap it on a credit card and dig that debt hole even deeper. An emergency fund is like carrying an umbrella when you see storm clouds. You might not need it right now, but when the rain hits, you'll be glad you have it. So, which comes first? Okay, let's settle this. Ideally, you do both. But since we're not living in a perfect world, if we were, tacos would be free. You have to prioritize. Here's how. Start with a mini emergency fund. Save $500 to $1,000 first. This will cover small surprises, so you don't have to reach for the credit card every time your car makes a funny noise. Attack high-interest debt. Like a ninja. Focus on debts with sky-high interest rates, like credit cards. Pay more than the minimum to squash them faster. Build more savings. Once you're stable, once the high-interest debt is gone, go all in on growing your emergency fund. Aim for 3 to 6 months of expenses. Tips. 2 quick tips to make this easier. Automate your savings. Set it and forget it, like a slow cooker, but for your money. Negotiate lower interest rates or find a side hustle. Even selling old stuff online helps. Cut to host showing a shirt labeled vintage with a wink. So, should you focus on debt or savings? Start with a little of both. Save enough to cover the unexpected, then tackle that high-interest debt like your financial life depends on it. Because, well, it kinda does. And remember, it's not about being perfect. It's about making progress, $1 at a time. Now go fix that bucket, my friends. You've got this. So, should you focus on debt or savings? Start with a little of both. Save enough to cover the unexpected, then tackle that high-interest debt like your financial life depends on it. Because, well, it kinda does. And remember, it's not about being perfect, it's about making progress. $1 at a time. If you found this helpful, make sure to hit that like button. It really helps the channel grow. And hey, don't forget to subscribe for more tips on saving, budgeting, and building wealth one step at a time. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.